Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tomato and potato salad. And the potato is nice and earthy, and the tomato is juicy and bright flavored, so they counteract and balance each other really nicely. So I have some red potatoes. I've cut them up, I've diced them, I cut them in 1-inch pieces and boiled them for just about 5 minutes. It's really all it takes, because when they're small, it's easy for them to cook through. So some potatoes, and then some chopped tomatoes. I'm using Roma tomatoes because they hold up pretty well when you mix them with stuff. And then I'm going to add some chopped green onion. And I use both the white and the green part on the green onion. And then I have some fresh herbs that I just went out and picked from the garden. I have some fresh oregano and some fresh rosemary. And when you're working with fresh rosemary, you want to chop it really fine, because it has a really strong flavor, and the small pieces distribute much better. And then the oregano, just take it off the stem. Just take it off the stem. So I just chop these real fine. And then I'm going to season this with just some salt and pepper and oil and vinegar. You notice that I'm not using a measuring spoon, but I am measuring into my hand. And that just gives me a little more control rather than just dumping it in. So olive oil. I'm going to use balsamic vinegar, which works really nicely with tomatoes because it's kind of sweet. And this will be tasty right away. And it'll be even tastier if you let it sit for 5 minutes or so for the flavors to come together. So here you have a tomato and potato salad.